Hi guys, in this video we're gonna see how to insert an audio file inside of our HTML page and which tag we're gonna use for that purpose. So let's jump to my computer to show you how. So to insert an audio file in our HTML page, we're gonna use the tag audio like this. Audio, and which is closed right here. Okay. And then we're gonna use like between the open tag and close tag, we're gonna add something like source src equals, and in between the double quotes we're gonna write, or we're gonna add the source of the audio. Like here I have already downloaded an audio, a music audio, in one of my folders. So we're gonna go to the folder, which is this one, and the audio is this one. It is called Intense Blockbuster. So we're gonna pick up this audio name, and we're gonna copy it and paste it in between these double quotes like this. All right, and then we're gonna add the extension of the audio. So let's go back to the folder. So here the extension of the audio, as you can see, it is MP3. To make sure of that, we can just right click, go down here, and then click on the property tab, and then we can see here the extension of our file. It is an MP3 file. All right, so we're gonna add the .mp3 to specify the extension of our file, and then we're gonna add the type attribute also to say that actually what we are adding here is an audio and the extension is mp3. All right, or the type of the audio is mp3, or a lot of time we're gonna find for mp3 extension we're gonna find mpeg, mpeg, like this. All right, so we can close this tag and try to open our file with the with Google Chrome and also with Mozilla Firefox to see the difference between both browsers. So let's just open it with Google Chrome first. All right, so here we don't see anything. All right, we don't see our audio, we don't see anything loaded. So we're gonna try to open it with Firefox to see if we're gonna get anything better. No, so we have always the same thing. We don't have anything loaded, we don't have any audio file in our HTML page. All right, so let's go back to our editor, and to actually have our audio file that is visible on our HTML page, we should actually add the attribute controls like this, and this attribute we're going to add it inside the audio tag. And what it does actually, that is allow us to display the audio controls, the basic controls of the audio, such as the sound. So we can control the sound, we can turn up or turn down the volume of our music, and also it allows us to display the on and off button or the play button of the audio. So just the basic controls of the audio. Okay, so let's save everything here and go back to our two browsers, the Chrome browser, and see. So because we have added the attributes controls, we have now our audio, which is completely displayed. And if we click on it like this, so you see we have our audio which is played. So let's go back to Firefox also to see whether we're gonna get the same thing like this, and we have the same thing. So let's play our audio here. So we can control the volume like this. Okay, we can control the track like this. All right, so let's see more attributes that can be useful. just for instance, the controls attribute actually does not take any value, but for the better practice, we should give all attributes a value. So we're gonna just give it the same value, which is controls. Okay? So the best practice is whenever we add an attribute, we give it a value, like this. And so we're gonna see another attribute, which is autoplay. Autoplay, like this. And we're gonna give it the attribute or the value, the value autoplay. Okay, so the autoplay attribute means that once we load our page, the audio is gonna play automatically. All right, but let's see what will happen. So let's go to our browser, Chrome, refresh, and the audio did not play automatically. So let's go back to Mozilla and see if we're gonna get the same thing. And we got the same thing. The audio did not play automatically. So why? Because actually these are new features that Google and Mozilla they have put in place. They don't allow anymore an audio to be played automatically once the page is downloaded, because actually it is just very annoying for the user. But we can do one thing to make our audio play automatically if we want to, and that is to add another attribute, which is muted, like this, which means that our audio is gonna play automatically once our page is loaded, but it's gonna be muted. But this trick does not work on Google Chrome, but it does work on Mozilla. So let's go back to Google Chrome to see. Let's refresh. So you see here our audio is muted, but the sound still don't play automatically. And let's see on Mozilla the results. And you see our file is muted and our audio is played automatically when I have refreshed the page. Okay, so we can add one more attribute, which is loop, and which means that at the end of our track, at the end of our audio will play again one more time from the beginning. So let's go to Google Chrome, refresh, and then click on play, like this. Okay, let's turn down the volume like this a little bit, and let's suppose that our audio is here. Okay, so it is almost finished. And here it is. So it is played once again automatically. You see? Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you liked it, and if so, please give us a thumb up, and don't forget to share my videos and subscribe to my channel.